Superintendent of Police Ri Bhoi District Giri Prasad IPS aringkat Additional Superintendent of Police Ba Orville Masar Mentasni Klepelong Cingnya Kendolang Hak Office USP Ri Bhoi Kalong Pynkup burom upa Alan Marbaniang Pulit Ri Bhoi Reserve Police Bat uba Deru Urang iakhunkti Pau Hak Jylla Bat uba Cumi Kmat Hak Rensan iakhunkti Paper Hakari Bat Shambari Kumjur
Istunat ni abang ya dan lang bati bailan ka bang lai thol aslam ba nado bang joint service ka khnau bailan si trish tomba kani ka kam arm wrestling nado mchwa nga thai iru yong yang im tas ni ba ilas dang kani ka hakani ka practice hakani ka rinsan nado ka por bidang dang khasan stem takadao ni encourage i bet barabar kum ka department kamtam kum ka ri bhai ru ngi so ngi dasko khan ru kata ba nambar bangapit nga ki videos mana kan bi ekon ru ki deki beriu ki ba arsha lelai sha ka size bani iru idang la ban pelim te kalong ke yang ka ba ngi so tenat ngi so comment te khamtam ru ba ki ba support lang baro ki ba ki backbone jong ibalan kam de tang mangi ka backbone ki de lang makini ru ki bade na ka ri bhoi ya na ka ri bhoi arm wrestling association ru ke dan lang te ngi comment long ngi dan lang kum ka team in support media baro mde tangi balon yong hapo ju ki bon ha ki brang training ki brang sedang ni kermen ru ki samla bong ipi dafi dan ka ni ka mensim ban le kan is dang do dang kloy do ka shpo do khatsan number metal kan mans ka national game tinga thai nga kermen ru ha ni national game ru thai kin bon desin da ka stage ngi ru ki ban kiu ha ni ka am wrestling de tang ka ni ru thai ki wi ru ti ngi ko ai mensim ipi ki samla bat i balon ru ngi ai kublek ni stonat mengin dan ti lada pi balon pi ko ban kan ni ru thai kham ha hi mo so ngi ai kublek thank you.
So we are on behalf of Ri Bhoi Police and Meghalaya Police, so we are very happy to inform that our one of our own colleague from Ri Bhoi DF, Mr. Alan Marbaniang, has won two medals. One is under the right hand category, he has won the gold, and in the left hand category he has won the bronze in the 4th Puffy National Arm Wrestling and Para Arm Wrestling Championship held in Gujarat. So we are on behalf of all our officers of Ri Bhoi DF, we would like to appreciate sincere gratefulness for making our police force of Meghalaya proud in this occasion. We also would like to thank the president of our Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association for his continuous and consistent support, without which it was impossible for us to get such great medals. And we also wish him best of the lucks for the future endeavors of his. At the same time, we always are there from Ri Bhoi DF as a moral support for him, and we also wish him best of luck. And always, yeah, you also have a word.
Kan kong ay tengah aingu ublay bala dan kalang magani nadu kasni ba ni dai hadu mawan bakum jur tas ni kadap ka jing sogumen bang akan do bang sir SP sir jangi I orul sir jangi hingni bakum juri ba I president jangka Ri Bhoi Arm Wrestling Association baroki di bajo jangai kubli pi Rupang ba pila ya sendan lam ngam tas ni tekani kadika sien ka ba RB SP sir I dei biang I SP jang Ri Bhoi sien min kong I arjar puar pa dang dei ma I SP Ri Bhoi ngayo yo silver medal pat kene ka sien ka ba ar pat ba yuan biang ma I ha SP Ri Bhoi ngayo pa se yo gold medal ta kanu ngadap daga jingkwen kalong ba blessing nga bangi yo sir over sir support te tangkata hi nan Asia ngashu kerpat jeki stop saja tu. Oh, kani ka tournament bansawan manta kadi hapo Delhi kadi ka World Arm Wrestling Championship ka long hapo Delhi. Te ya kani tengi ni hab ban pengkre ba nama kat ka kawan kani kadi kasin ka baar ka bawan kani ka World Championship hapo India. Ting nakaliang nga tengah kuat bang the best akan ka World Championship.
Kalau mata kalian lan akan long bakat kumbakan no dia ni mana ka jalan kali.
Kan long hau benai October last week but November. Te nak Jylla jumi thai na maklang aya kumba prapo ngot nyo pho tam dan thai ban represent ya ka country.